In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts and diagrams using ChatGPT and Draw.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned diagram creator or new to visualizing information, this method will streamline the process as you harness powerful online tools. First, head over to ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with it, ChatGPT leverages AI to help you with a myriad of tasks, and today it will become your assistant in generating the necessary code for your diagram. Once you're on the ChatGPT platform, you'll want to prompt it to generate mermaid code for your intended diagram. Now you may be wondering, why mermaid code? Mermaid is a simple and relatively easy to understand markdown-like script language for generating diagrams, which makes it perfect for our needs. After ChatGPT generates the code, you'll see an option to copy it. Be sure to do so, as this will be the foundation of your flowchart. With the code safely copied, it's time to switch gears and navigate to Draw.io, which is the environment we'll use to visualize the mermaid code. Once on Draw.io, start by creating a blank diagram. This will give you a clean slate to work on and ensure there's nothing interfering with the clarity of your flowchart. Next, you'll want to look for the Arrange menu. Click on it, revealing a drop-down that will guide us to the next steps in our process. Within the drop-down, choose Insert. This is where we'll integrate the mermaid code into Draw.io. From here, select Advanced, which might seem a bit more complex, but don't worry. It's surprisingly straightforward once you're in. The next choice on the menu will be Mermaid, which lines us up perfectly for the next step. You'll now see a pop-up window where you can paste the mermaid code that you generated and copied earlier. This is an exciting moment because you'll soon see how lines of script transform into a visual diagram. With the code pasted, simply click on Insert. Congratulations! With that click, you've successfully created a flowchart using the collaborative power of ChatGPT and Draw.io. Watch as the diagram appears, illustrating the concept you had in mind, all through a seamless integration of AI-generated script and user-friendly design software. Feel free to adjust, modify and enhance your diagram within Draw.io, using its array of tools to better fit your presentation needs or thematic style. This method not only saves time but also leverages modern technology to make your workflows more productive and visually appealing. That's it for today. Creating flowcharts and diagrams has never been easier. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore other creative possibilities with these tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Until next time, happy diagramming.